Okay, so let's start by loading the extension Webpipe. Okay, it's here. You can see the button. I can observe things. Okay, let's see. Okay, first let's try to get a message. Okay, I'm going to send this message because I want it to be the last. Okay, I'm going to observe it. I'm gonna start. Okay, what you see here above is the default selector that is going to be selected if I click, but I can right click and customize it because it's really strange, this selector, and I think it's very random and it's not what I want. Okay, so this is the I can customize things from here. Okay, I don't want, okay, here at the top I'm building the selector. This is what it's here. Okay, this one at the right is what I'm editing right now. So okay, this is how it was. This is the selector that was for default, but I don't like it, so I'm probably gonna choose one of these. I already tried with this one, but it's not what I want. Doesn't work for me. So I'm going to select all types of messages, the ones that comes in, the ones that comes out, everything. Okay, and I'm going to select the last one of those, because that's the one that I need. That's the one that I'm going to check. If the last message says a particular string, I'm going to do a response. I'm going to answer it somehow. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have this one, but I cannot select this one in particular because if I select the one that is highlighted in blue, it's going to select everything here. That means that all the strings that are in there is going to concatenate it. So the message is going to be concatenated with the name of the person and the time. And I want to extract exactly the message. Okay, so now that I got this one figured out, I'm going to persist it. Just basically move it here. Okay, so now I'm going to, these are the childs of this node. I'm going to select the child. I'm going to search for the message, for exactly the message. So I'm going to pick the child. This is the one. And now I'm going for this one. Let's see. Okay, now we're getting closer. Let's see. This is the one that I need. Okay, now that we have arrived. Okay, we need selectable. Yes, I think this is the attribute that I want. Selectable text. I like it. I like this selector. So this, along with this, is the selector that I'm going to pick. Alright, okay. Now I'm going to choose where I'm going to paste this or attach it. I don't know, however you want it called. So it's here. Okay. Now you can see the observer. It's here. This is the one that I picked. This is exactly the selector that is chosen. In fact, I can change this here. Well, it didn't find anything. Let's see erasing this. You see, this is what would have happened if I have chosen all the selector. But okay, let's go back. Okay, exactly. This is what I want. Okay, so. Oh, by the way, let's see. You can see it updates in here, right? Let's go back. I erased it. That's it. Very good. Okay. So what I want is that every time the message here that is arrived is /price. In fact, I'm going to change the message. That's just to make sure that this is exactly what we need. Okay. I'm going to make a formula. Oh no, wait. First, When this message is arrived, I want to respond with the price. I'm going to choose this website that is here because it updates the prices in real time. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to observe this message, this price, sorry. Now let's pick a selector that is appropriate to select this number. This is strange. All the selectors looks the same. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now, okay, this works, but this has some random string here. That is probably this is put by the framework that it's made the website. So if in the future this website is deployed again, or basically this part of the code is changed, this string is going to change too. So I'm gonna try not to rely on this class, but right here there's nothing more to rely on, I think. Let's see, let's go to the parent. This is the parent. You know what, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the second child. This is the parent, and I'm going to select the second child. So I'm going to, instead of selecting this, I'm going to select second child. You can see right here. I think this is a more stable selector. Some people might prefer this one instead, but I don't know, however you like it. Okay, I'm gonna paste this here. Okay, now I can make the formula. So what I'm going to do is, every time this cell says price, so that cell is A1. Every time it says price, okay, I forgot this. I'm going to return. Oh, by the way, this spreadsheet is powered by JavaScript, so the logic that I'm putting here is JavaScript. So you can put anything you want here, as long as you return whatever you return here, it's going to work. Okay, when the condition is true, I'm going to return whatever is in A2. Oh, okay, I did it wrong. If it's false, I'm going to return nothing. Basically an empty string. Okay, now let's test this. Let's change the message. I'm going to send a WhatsApp message that is different. Yes, it arrived. And it's empty now. Great. Now, this cell, whenever these cells changed, I'm going to observe it, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, it appears the formula because I have the cell selected, and as long as the cell is selected, the formula appears instead of the result. So I'm gonna do this. It's empty, and it's empty too. Great. Now, okay, but I want the message to be pasted in here, but at the same time, I want this to be clicked. Okay. I'm going to return to put the price in there because I want to test this the right way. Okay, perfect. I sent price. The price is reading here. Now I'm going to attach it. I think this is the one. Yes, this is the one. I'm going to also make it press this button. This button. Okay. Let's see the selector. You know, I think I like this selector. I like this default. I'm gonna pick it. Okay. I'm gonna test it. Let's see. Price. Yes, it's working. Once again,